You need some emergency money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 6 different emergency loans that you can get with bad credit, no credit, and no documentation. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about emergency loans. But before we get into the channel, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. It also allows YouTube to push this within the algorithm. It allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. So, guys, this video is going to be interesting because I want to talk about emergency funding. I know I've seen the credit card reports, and credit card debt is at an all-time high. So I know a lot of people are really hurting for cash, and in today's video, I'm going to explain several options that you can get emergency funding without no documentation in less than 24 hours. Guys, anyone and everyone can qualify for these type of loans, and you probably heard of them or probably not. So let's dive straight in. So these loans, first and foremost, guys, is going to be high interest loans. I particularly don't like these type of loans, but I have used them in emergencies plenty of times. They have came through for your boy plenty of times when I was hurting and I needed the cash. So these type of loans are going to be loans that's not necessarily ideal, but sometimes your situation is less ideal than the loan itself. So guys, let's talk about them. So the first loan I want to talk about is payday loans. Payday loans is probably one of the most familiar loans on this list because a lot of people know about them. So a payday loan is basically using your paycheck as collateral to get a loan, right? So basically they will follow up on your next payment history, on your next payment date, and they will take out the loan payment from that date. You can get upwards to $5,000 to $10,000 on these type of loans, depending on your income. Payday loans, guys. So number two is going to be title loans. Again, guys, like I said, I don't like any of these type of loans, but the situation, if you need it, guys, you got to do what you have to do. And those that's in certain situations know exactly what I'm talking about. So payday loans, no, title loans is going to be a loan where you use your title as a collateral. And normally I've seen in many cases that these title loans, some title loan companies will give you more money than your actual vehicle is worth, and you will still be able to keep the vehicle. So you have a title from a vehicle, you can use that title to get upward to between $5,000 to $10,000 depending on the title loan in the state that you're in. But if you do not pay the title loan or default on the title loan, it would be just like a car loan, and they will come and repo your car. So be careful, guys. And like I said, this is emergency funding, right? Number three is pawn shops. Pawn shops is probably one of the most, in my opinion, the most hated type of loan. I think they are sharks, but like I said, I've been in this type of situation and I needed the money and I have to do what I have to do. So pawn shops is going to use any type of collateral that you have inside of your home, whether it can be vehicle, appliances, electronics, anything of value, jewelry, gold, anything like that. They will give you money for your item. So basically what you have inside of your home becomes a way to make cash. You can pawn your blender, you can pawn your computer, you can pawn your granny's ring. It really just depends on how much money and how desperate or how big their emergency. But guys, yes, pawn shops is good. And if I can give you a tip, go to a pawn shop that is in a great neighborhood. And what I mean by great neighborhood is a average income is around $500,000 to $700,000. If you find a pawn shop in that area, you will traditionally get a larger loan for the items that you are pawning. Number five is going to be interesting. That is a crypto loan. Yes, I say crypto loan. So if you have crypto available and you don't want to sell it, and you are in a situation situation, you can use your crypto as collateral to get a loan. And basically, you can pay the loan back from the proceeds of the crypto if it goes up, or you can pay it back with the income that you have coming in. And it is a good way to basically get some cash on tap. Guys, I think crypto loans are very interesting because crypto have not been regulated yet, but you can still use these type of loans to get hard on cash. So crypto loans are very interesting to me. Let's talk about another one. Peer-to-peer loans is basically a loan that allows you to consult with a peer to get loans. So peer-to-peer loans is basically a platform that uses private institutional funding that allows other peers to get funding. So the criteria and the underwriting is basically depicted from the peer that's loaning you the money. So every peer can be different. That's basically me giving you access to a loan. So peer-to-peer funding is optional as well, and is one of the things that you guys can look into. Guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. Do you think that this is interesting? Have you used these loans? Do you think they're predatory? Let me know in the comment section. I'm very interested in that. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out.